apparently there's some stains. And I should just, you know, do this as I go.
That's what we'll do.
Hi beauties, it's me Evie, and I am back with you with a Luna Wee haul. I got this big honking bag full of things. So, and don't worry, the address is my shipping address. You can use it if you want to send me mail. I love letters and I love getting mail. Frankly, it's exciting. I've always been that way because, like, I kept up with my aunt and my grandfather all through letters, and I had pen pal for many years. I just love writing letters. So here's just it's a little t-shirt, and y'all, I think the sleeves on this shirt just make this an extra shirt. It could be casual, but yet it gives you a little bit of a, I'm a little extra. So I really like the company. I'm glad to be working with them again, and we will see how things fit. Stay tuned for that. But now you might want to know your coupon code in case you don't want to see me trying them on. So the code is going to be Evie with a capital E 20. I do not get anything from this except for the free clothes. So anyway, thanks a bunch for watching, and I'm going to try these on for you. You're amazing. Okay, we are having a little moment. Belle has been shedding all over the place. I wasn't going to shave her this year, but it's quite necessary. So I have my team of helpers. One's gonna hold the peanut butter, one's gonna vacuum the hair, and I'm gonna do the cutting. So this is Belle. She's already got some of her butt cut off, but I will show her to you when we're done. So we forgot totally to record the outcome of Belle's little shave yesterday, and since she's being all cute on the floor, I thought I would show you. Hi, baby. You love your new haircut? Yeah, you look like you've got major eyebrows. That's just the color of her hair, y'all. Come here, come to mama. Hi. Hi, baby. Aww. Look how cute. Say, my pretty hair will grow back. Okay, so I did a live earlier today, and I started my project. So far, this is the situation in my house, right, in my bedroom. This pile right here is all going to be sold or donated, but it connects to this pile that I still need to go through. This box and another box that's been put in the closet is jackets and sweaters and a couple of dresses that are winter dresses. I'm gonna let Andrew take you closer to my closet though. So everybody's always on me about the all black thing. So I've proven to you that what's in my closet now is all color stuff. But this is where the problem comes in. So I have two of the same dress, except it's different brands. And I have all of these things, and they're similar. They're the long black tops. And honestly, I love them all, and I'm not going to get rid of a single one of them because they're amazing. And it's my style. So that is my progress. Hey beauties, it's me, Evie. Starting a new blog today. And we're starting with me getting a new inhaling device situation. I'm confused, actually. Now you can hopefully hear me better. Look at this hair. I have so much regrowth, our new growth, that it's everywhere. Like when I split my hair, it's like boom, 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 boom. Okay, anyway. Let's bring it back in. So my asthma has been terrible. And when I say terrible, I mean terrible. I have an amazing doctor, Dr. Wu. He's amazing. I love him. Like, he is so good. And he was like, we're going to find out how to help you. Just trust. I feel like I have a lot of something right here. But he subscribed a new medication, and I am trying to figure out how to use it. Look at I usually just guesstimate how to use things, but like, I'm so desperate for help. That's going on today. So this is a handheld prescription medicine used each day. It's called a maintenance medication. It's supposed to help in 24 hours, so I'm about to take this. It's supposed to take away that feeling that I'm having right now, that I can't breathe. Now, I don't want to read all the side effects. I'm just really wanting to know how to work the machine. So for me to look for raised red patches on your skin, hives, itching, rash, swelling on your face, lips, tongue, difficult in breathing. How is that different from what's wrong with me now? Y'all, yesterday my lips were so swole up for some reason. I seriously looked like I had lip injections. They had a thing that looked like this, and it opened up like that, and you come down and the little pricker would be there, and those things were not the pricker of today. You kids are lucky, you little devils. Y'all don't know the pain of what my generation had to go through when we would go to get a simple prick of our finger. That thing would like puncture your finger, and you would bleed, and it would hurt, and then the next day you wouldn't want to use your pencil at school because it was so sore. Yeah. I'm salty. Okay, I can see all of this, but where does the little capsule go? Oh, okay. Okay, there's that. I really need to find out how to use this. Oh, there it is. Okay, here it goes. Let's look at this. So this was on the brown dresser table that I had in here. So I put it over here, took the stuff out that was in it, put my palettes back in it, and I also have palettes that I use all the time, and they're in a drawer in my desk here. So that's like my all the time, or my or at least my most used palettes. brushes and sponges. And now I have to figure out what to do with all of this. That's my cart. Yeah. And I have this stuff to deal with over here. This is extra products. It's a junk drawer. There's me. I have a lot to do. So I am going to flip the camera around and let you be with me for a little while. I'm so overwhelmed right now. I don't know what to do. Cleaning and sorting and organizing is what I'm really good at. Except